Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to unlock Pi Lockup to transferable Pi balance. So this is the best method. So in order to do this is that first all you need to do is open up your Pi application and then you will see this page right here. So you're just going to click on the wallet option appearing just at the top, and now just choose the way to unlock your wallet, then it will load up your translation. So basically, you just have to unlock your wallet and you're going to see this another page. It will redirect you to another page now after you unlock your wallet. So you'll be taken to this page. On here, you'll have to simply click on the transaction that you can see when you click on the logged Pi. So here you're going to see that when my Pi was supposed to be unlocked is on the 1st of January 2028, but here I am just going to show you how to actually unlock your Pi so you'd be able to receive it within 2 weeks. So all you need to do is just click on the lockups button available just right here. Now it will take you to this page. So here just click on create lockup button at the top. When you click on that create lockup, it will show up this page where you can easily decrease the lockup duration from 1 year to 2 weeks. So after you do this, just go back and here you will going to see that you will get your amount in 2 weeks rather than a year or two. So that's it. It's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!